Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes, I am staring at you. So I have shown you guys what I thrifted in the other video. There are 3 items that I would like to repurpose and turn them into something new. So this is a thrift flip video where I will attempt to fix these items and turn them into something I might like more. And to make it worse, I don't know how to sew, so we're just let's do it. Before we start this video, I need to ask you guys for a favor. Click that subscribe button below, and then we will continue this video. I took a sewing class before. It was a disaster, and here I am trying to sew. This is not a regular sewing machine. This is a toy. Why did I put myself in this position? I don't know. So the machine comes with a kind of like a guide book, kind of like a mini booklet that has all of the instructions in here, but we all know we're not gonna read that. It is literally so small. Okay, so I got this together right here. It looks really cool. I am so excited. How do I turn this on? Shit. I have told you guys before that the shirt is too long on me. So as you can see, it's really long on me. So what I would do is I would crop it right here. This should be the last button for my shirt. So I'm gonna mark it. I'm just gonna use this hanger to draw a line. I'm going to clip the shirt so it doesn't slip when I cut it. Girl, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing here. This is harder than I thought. I cannot cut a straight line. Well, yeah, because I'm not straight. Oh, I'm so nervous. You guys, I'm literally so nervous. What if I completely destroy this shirt? That will be a waste of money, but I'll try my best to make it work. If not, I'm just gonna wear it with raw hem. The stitching line is literally so bad. Like, definitely looks shitty. I will show you guys when I am done with this, but it is working so far. That's all I care about. I honestly do not care if it looks shitty, because no one is gonna see that fucking bottom hem anyway, so... Oh! I kind of enjoy doing this. Why did I hate sewing in the first place? I think I am doing really well. Oh no, I spoke too fucking soon. You guys, this is getting bad. I want to take what I said back, literally. This shit is fucking intense. Oh my god. This is crazy. Okay, you guys, I think this is the moment of truth. So I finally cropped the shirt and sew along the line. It looks really, really bad up close, but I'm gonna give it a try anyways. I'm not mad at it. It looks so good. A little bit shorter than what I wanted, but it's fine because I kind of really like this length. Okay, so I'm glad that this worked out, and this is the final product for the first project. Love this so much. It looks so good. The second item that I would like to show you guys, and I would like to fix this item, is this vintage blazer right here. I bought this blazer a while ago, probably 6-7 years ago. So what I wanted to do is I want to split the side of the body. I wanted to cut it open and I want to insert a hidden zipper so I can just unzip this and peek my arms out of the blazer instead of putting my arms through the sleeves. Fashion, it's confusing. That's the look I wanted to get. So with that being said, let's rip this jacket apart and then sew it back together, because why not? Hopefully it will go smoothly because I am freaking tired. The sun is going down, the golden hour is approaching, and I'm still in here trying to figure out how to fix my clothes when there's literally nothing wrong with them. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So in order for me to do this, I have 2 invisible zippers, and I absolutely do not know how to install a zipper, so that's gonna be fun. This is gonna be really interesting. It's gonna be a hell of a ride, I'm telling you. Oh, I want to pin this down. Okay. Oh my god, please. Why is it so hard? Oh my god, you guys, I run the stitch through the zipper and it looks so bad. It's like wonky. It's fine, I really don't care about the stitching line because it's literally under my arm. I don't know how to fucking close this shit. I just fucking don't. So, I'm just gonna glue the shit out of this blazer, including the other side. I'm done with the sewing machine. I can just do this all day long. I can just... You guys, this is way easier. This side, I hot glue. Looks so good, right? And this side, I sew and hot glue. So, this is the second jacket. It looks really cool, and as you can see, you can't even tell on both sides. It looks like a messy. There we go. Ta-da! What was I thinking? That jacket looks so... So, real talk, I honestly botched this jacket a little because I did the sewing thing and then I decided to hot glue it all together. You know, only that part was bad, but I am absolutely happy with the outcome. So on to the last project. So this is the shirt that I got recently from Goodwill. I'll probably add shoulder pads to this shirt. Hopefully it will look like this. I really like the look, but I really wanted to add some shoulder pads to the shirt to make it a little bit more edgy and different. For today, we're going to add some shoulder pads to the shirt. And I have done this before twice. You will need, of course, some shoulder pads. And also you need some small sticks like this. So these sticks will hold the shoulder pads up to create like a 90 degrees angle. Well, maybe not 90 degrees, but it will look really cool. So let's go. If you are doing this on a white shirt, make sure that you only get white shoulder pads. I'm doing this on a brownish, tannish shirt, So I really don't mind. If I put black inside, you really can't see. If I put white inside, you can't see it either. If you were to stack it like this, and when you put it in the shirt, you can definitely see this part. But if you were to lay it out nicely, it will seamlessly match to each other. So now it should look like this. Now we're gonna do the bottom layer. This is the bottom layer, and this is the top layer. So now it looks like this. And then you go ahead and glue the top layer on top. I'll go ahead and do the same thing for the other side, and I'll be back. Okay, now I'm done with gluing all these pads together to make two gigantic shoulder pads. Inside of your shirt, you should see like a line right here where it connects this part of the neck along with the middle of the sleeve. I am going to align it with the neck. It looks like this on the inside, but when you zip it out, it will look like this. I finish sewing the pads. This video took me 5 hours to film, so thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, and other than that, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!